The great Spanish and Portuguese translator Gregory Rabassa once described translation as the purest form of writing. Purest in the sense, I think he meant that as translators, our concern is exclusively with the writing itself. Our concern, if you like, is with the delivery mechanism. As translators, we don't need to trouble our little heads about structure and plot and themes and trivial matters of that kind. It's just the words, it's just the texture, the poise, the rhythm, the sound, the taste, the polish, the voice. It's one of those things that is very hard to define, but you know it when you see it. It's the difference between, my dear chap, good morning. Splendid, splendid, and how are you today? Jolly good, jolly good. And on the other hand, so hello. That's, yes, so, hi, okay. Or somewhat more economically, just, all right. The meaning of those three options, absolutely, basically the meaning is almost interchangeable. The voice obviously couldn't be more different.